Well, here we are, we've come back to the camping Escalade. We've said it right, and today I'm fishing here with Daryl. So hello Daryl. There he is.
A lovely day for it, lovely day.
It is a lovely day for it. It's the first day we've had without the intense heat of the last couple of weeks, and we're hoping the fish will be feeding. So we've set up a little feeder rod. A bit later on I think I'm going to be trying down underneath these reeds, but to start with, just starting off in the middle and put a bit of feed down the edge and see what happens.
What's that, about £12?
No, it's about 7 I think.
7. Oh, blimey, fish on.
You have?
Yeah.
Oh, we're still setting up, and Daryl's got one on. Let's see how he gets on. On a Fuduka pellet.
That's a Fuduka, yeah.
And that's what we want to use. It feel very big.
It feels it.
Let's put the camera down. Let's get the net. Is it anywhere near the net?
Not yet.
Put it around the island.
That's where I caught it from, yeah, just to the right of those reeds.
I think your drag's probably set a little bit. You want to tighten up just a touch.
Don't want to get it on that little branch. Oh, jeez. Very deep there. Oh, look at that birdie. Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Have you? Well, let's quickly wait then. You leave it there and I'll here's the fish that Daryl's just caught. We're going to very quickly weigh it and then get it back in. I think Colin, he had a big fish out of it.
Not as big as this one.
You got another one? Fuduka pellet again.
Fuduka, yeah.
Well, that's brown one. Oh, I'll gimme for you. Little tench.
Nice one. I like it here. Cheers, mate.
That worth €4.
Not half. Something's having a nibble.
More than a nibble.
Oh. Feels like a good one.
feel big fish?
Feels it.
Right. Well, as I can't catch anything, I might as well film Daryl catching another one. It's a Daryl show.
Yeah. Might let you have a go one day.
Oh dear, I'm going to have to gilly for him again, I can see that. There's a small charge. Must be. Very nice fish.
Well done.
Not quite as big as the other one, but lovely carp. That's a mirror. That weighs far off that other one.
Yeah.
I would say that's 8 or 9 pound. Don't know how he's doing it, everyone. He's even lent me one of his baits. Yeah. It's not my fish. I'll hold it up for you so you can get a picture of it. Hopefully. There you go.
Lovely.
Yeah. It's not mine, it's Daryl's. Well, I can't catch a fish. Daryl, the professional, is in again. It's another nice fish as well by the look of it.
Fitting in that way.
Ferrule bend in the rod. Oh, quite close.
Yeah.
Careful. I'm just going to lift the rod up a bit. Oh, God, imagine it's come apart.
You're doing this on purpose. Got it. Oh, another mirror one, isn't it?
Yep, another mirror. A bit Keystone Fox that was, wasn't it?
Yeah. Cheers, Ray.
Oh, I'm going to be trying some of your bait next.
Help yourself.
What a lovely fish. Of course, this is one I've caught, really not. That's
Beautiful.
probably about 4 kilo. What a fish. That. Perch this time.
Number 3.
Load number 4. Lost.
The theory was right.
Come on.
He's gone. Ah. Definitely isn't your day, is it? Good indication as well, was it?
Sorry?
Good indication.
Oh, it's got the rod in.
Yeah.
It's going. I hooked it. Really felt it. It snapped off.
You snapped the hook off?
Yep. Oh, that's cruel luck after everything else that's gone on. Good, isn't it?
Feels a biggie.
It's unreal, this. Would you believe it? We've only gone and got another one. He's a machine.
Certainly on today.
Only fish I've netted has been for you. He's pulling back.
Get it? Fucking hell, that's a lovely one.
I think that's what they call leather. No, it's not. It's a mirror. It's got some. They haven't got any scales at all. They're called leather carp.
Yeah.
Well done. Well, he's done it again. Is that 4 big carp?
4 big boys carps.
It's now nearly time to go home.
I'll just enjoy myself as well.
So you should.
Lovely carp.
I think we'll just hold him up in the net. He's very lively. We'll put him back. Well done, Daryl. You want to come back here again?
Oh, definitely.
You in again?
Yep.
We have to have another cast in because I will just chuck one out. Another good one.
I've not caught yours, have I? It's enough. As long as your rod's not moving, I've got a fish.
I'll tell you what, that's another good fish. Well folks, you know it's not your day when this happens. I've given up filming myself. Come down to the side.
Yeah, cheers. Carp. Going?
That's not far off your biggest of the day. That's another good 10 pound. There we go. That's what I could have won.
That was a nice one, that.
Well folks, we're getting towards last cast time. I have to say it's been an awful afternoon for me, but very enjoyable because Daryl's had an afternoon we could only wish for. 5 big carp, bream, tench, he's had all, and I've got 3 gudgeon, a rudd and a perch. Well, next time. He's enjoying it, and so you should. But I've got 5 minutes to redeem myself, otherwise it's I don't know, I'll perhaps have to edit myself out of all of this. Anyway, well, mine's still in there. I want to actually give it some time in your swim. Sorry, no, it's not in his swim, really isn't. Might be a big fish. Well, that sums up my day. Oh, 5 carp, and I get that. Time to go home.
Oh, brilliant.
But goes to show,
End on a high.
some yeah, high. Goes to show though, the fish is definitely down there.
That's definitely the best place.
It was today, yeah.